Okay, I am getting a number of messages saying, hey, what size this is. First of all, this doesn't have a size in the title. And that's rule number one, that we need to have a size in the title. So it's not going to sell if it doesn't have a size in the title. So, not sure what size it is, but um, you need to figure that out. It might be in here. Let's see here. Hi, is this a pair of size 7? The description says size 6. Okay, so you need to confirm this, and then you need to put it in the you need to put it in the title, and you need to put it in the description. So the way to do this is, and then the other thing is, I need you to reply to the person and answer them of what size it is. So we go here, eBay listings, and then we go here, alright, so I put this in here and add a product, but it's still not showing the size. So then the other thing you need to do is check, maybe you can find out from AppEagle. So go to Prime here, and nothing showing there. So and this shows nothing here. So basically we don't know any size. So when you see this, if you're absolutely sure there's no size on it, we need to request it back. So I'm just going to double check here. I don't see anything in the description, and nothing on here either. So, but a couple of things. So you need to, tell them what size it is, and then I also need you need to add it to the title and the description, and then you also need to email these people and let them know. Either way, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.